Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows upgrade error code 0x80090011 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and it reads that a device driver error occurred during the user data migration. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to actually open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best match, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And now underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the run button that corresponds to it. And if it's able to detect and repair any items, I recommend letting it continue on here. And another thing I'd recommend trying would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. I want you to copy the first one, so system file checker utility scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. This will begin the system scan. Give us some time to run here. Okay, so once that first one's done running, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and paste it into the command prompt window and then hit enter. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.